Hey guys, welcome back. You're watching Quantum Jumper. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install a bot inside your WordPress store or WordPress site. It's very simple. All you have to do is to just go to your plugin and add new plugin. Okay, and just go to your Tidio chats. All right, and make an account on Tidio chat, and that's it. And just go to here and just search for the Tidio, and you go Tidio live chats and AI chatbot. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? This is fantastic. You just activate this, and Tidio chat is now there to start working on your homepage. Okay, it will be everywhere. Now, if somebody goes to my website, you can be able to see a Tidio chat. A Tidio powered chat will be start working. Okay, I cannot see why it is that. Why? Okay, let me see what is the problem. Tidio chats, I think I need to connect, maybe. Yeah, so I need to log in the details. Just log in. Okay, not to get started, but you just have to get login. Okay, just log in, and that's it. So it's got the problem. I think I need to change the password of it, but I can able to select Capia. The problem. Okay, integrate selected project. No, Capia. So I don't want to go for the Capia. I just want to go to the Tidio chat. Or you know what, I just want to make this available on my homepage. So Tidio. So what I'll do, I'm just gonna do one thing. Just go to my app, and I just want to remove the project called Capia because it is not now available on Capia. So let me go to settings and go to installation, code selection, go to manual, go to code, and let me go to my WordPress again, go to dashboard, and just go to settings. Just go to settings, not settings, go to plugin, and inside your plugin I have to remove, I'm not going to use any plugin here, just going to use any code. So deactivate this because I don't want to use a plugin. So just remove the page. Okay, so delete plugin. You are about to remove the following plugin, Tidio chat by Tidio chat, or you want to delete these files. Yes. So guys, if you just want to use the chat, the live chat all over your place, all over the place, you should be using the live chat, the plugin. Okay, this will be start using on your all websites, but for me, I don't want to use any plugins now. I just want to use on my home page. So how can you do that? Just go to my home page, and I'm showing you how you can do that. Let's go to Elementor. Just open up your Elementor, and I will show you how you can be able to do this. Okay, so you just have to come down to the Tidio and go to settings and go to the installation, open code editor. You'll find the manual code, just copy, and I'm just waiting for it to be get loaded completely, and after that I will be start working on my home page, and I will show you the simple setting which you can be enable the chatbot inside on your page. Okay, inside on your home page, and it's loading is very slow. I don't know why. I'm using the digital hosting, the Indian version with cPanel. It's Ambition host. It's just cloud storage, cloud hosting. It's a cloud server, by the way. Hosting is something like host, just host. Okay, server means it means that continuous workaround. You can also make your computer as a server, but that is a different part. Let me also reload this because it's not loaded completely. Just load. Now it's loading again, and I'm hoping to get this load effectively this time. I'm waiting for it to be get loaded. Okay, I'm just waiting for it to be get loaded. Just load the page. theme builder. Okay, I really don't have any idea about theme builder now, but theme builder, I think, okay, so now I have the complete setup here, okay, and now I really want to use my chatbot on my first website. It's called live chat support. So what you need to do is just search for code, and you have a shortcode option which I am going to use here. Okay, it's not the right place to use. I think I should be using the code here on just beneath the Telegram. Let me highlight the code and update the page, and voila, I have a live chat support here. Let me go to the main page. Let me show you how it is going to look like. So my home page is now activated with a bot, and anybody can be able to start chatting with me here. And this bot is not going to work on the different page. If somebody goes to about page, I don't think it's going to be work, because the code is actually actively active on the main page. Let me show you all the pages loading slow. I don't know why. I think it's a hosting problem or what. I don't have any idea, but yes, it is a little bit in the slower side. It is really slow. Let me go to, yeah. So if somebody on the checkout page or contact us page or whatever, this is not going to work. So let me show you. If somebody goes to my plan page, okay, so this is not going to work. Yes, if it can be work if I just install the code. If I install the code, then it will start working. But if somebody goes to the home page, then it will be work only. But this is not going to work on the different page, but it's not loading. I don't know why. Wow, it is a lot of problem. Wow, so slow. So guys, it is wasting my time, the hosting. I don't know why. It is like a very slow now, but this is not going to work on a different page, okay, as I'm telling you. So just go to Tidio, just make an account, and go to your WordPress site. You can either install a plugin, or you can manually install the script. If you're using the Elementor, even in the free version, you can be able to paste this script and your bot starts working like this on your home page. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time.